Hi, I'm here with a need-based topic which is going to be useful for the research scholars in order to prepare their thesis, dissertations. Although the format, the components, and the guidelines, it may vary from one university to the other or one institution to the other. So, keeping that in mind, let's discuss about the table of contents. The first and foremost thing that you need to keep in mind is, while deciding the content, the portions, the part that you want to focus or show or place in the content, which are the ones you can put it in the Roman numbers and which are the ones you are to put in the natural numbers. So I would suggest that when we talk about the chapters, the different chapters that that you are underlying as chapter 1, chapter 2, all right, chapter 3, chapter 4, and so on, you can put all those in the natural numbers, okay, natural number forms. However, when we talk about the certificate part, the declaration given by the research scholars, the acknowledgement part, abstract, okay, and now you have the plagiarism certificate, table of content, all those you can put it in the Roman numbers. So this is just a sample. Obviously, it will be useful for my research scholar students from Mahatma Gandhi University, Meghalaya. So I'm just enlarging it. Yeah. The first is the declaration by the scholar. Then coming to the next is certificate by the supervisor. Then certificate by the research degree committee. All right, I will be showing you the samples in my upcoming videos. Then the acknowledgement part, abstract, plagiarism certificate, you have the tables of contents, list of tables, list of figures, list of abbreviations. Okay, so all these I have put it in the Roman number form. Okay, you can see this here. Now coming to the introduction part, that is the chapter 1. Now you have to keep this in mind that the introduction part, the heading and the subheading, the subheadings will depend upon your topic. It will depend entirely upon your topic. So this is just a sample as how you can construct. So while numbering it, remember that it's all these, okay, the introduction, whatever here, everything is coming under the first chapter. Okay, so you have the first chapter, so it's 1.0, okay, introduction part. Then 1.1 background of the study, 1.2 is statement of the problem, 1.3 objectives of the study, and similarly you have the research questions, hypothesis, operational definition of the terms, delimitation of the study, significance of the study, and then you can give the summary, okay, the summary of this first chapter. So here you can see that you can follow two ways, that is the entire introduction, assuming that it covers 1 to 36 pages. Clear? So you can show it in this way, or otherwise, supposing 1.0, how many pages are covering the first point, you can emphasize accordingly. Then again, background of the study, you can emphasize how many pages you are reflecting on the background of the study area. So you can give the numbers accordingly. Then switching to the next chapter, that is chapter 2. You can say review of related literature or literature review. So here you can see very clearly that this is chapter 2, and so the bulleting part is 2.0, 2.1, 2.2 accordingly. So you have here is the introduction. You can give a brief introduction of what is it. Then switching to the next is the purpose of the review of literature. Then you can have certain reviews from abroad, certain reviews from India, then certain reviews from the area under your study. Then you can give the critical observations and accordingly summarize on that specific chapter. All right, so this is not a hard and fast rule, so you can follow this sequence. So I'll come up again in my next part. Thank you.